Alright, so this is the QIDI Tech X Smart 3 high-speed 3D printer running on Clipper, which is also in Core XY configuration. So I love the overall shape. It looks great. It's on right now. The light is on and quite bright and looks very nice. So let's start here on the top. We got a lid. So this is completely sealed, which is great for printing hotter filaments. And this cover here pops right off and it's a see-through. Very nice design, easy to use. And you don't need to use this as it inclines here if you're doing PLA or TPU. So just leave this out. So on the top we can see we have pretty nice wire management. Let's go ahead and move this way. And it's like a chain here that goes to the end there, and then the wires go down. So our two motors that control the axes both ways. Core XY configuration, lots of belts going everywhere. Yeah, Core XY is definitely a nicer system for high-speed printing, and this is what this printer is aimed for, is for that 500 millimeters a second printing. Now what also helps with that are these carbon fiber tubes that the X-axis rides on, so that's really awesome. The Y-axis here is steel rods, and you guys can kind of see that whole mechanism there with all the pulleys, so everything looks pretty robust and quite beefy on all of the parts and connections. The direct drive hot end assembly looks pretty good. This cover should pop off. It says to go up and then out, and there we go. So there is a blower fan that's connected down there, but we can kind of see better the direct drive extruder there. And this appears to be the release arm for the extruder here. But yeah, very nice high quality parts there. And yeah, everything looks very well built. And the heat break and everything here looks like it's custom designed by QIDI Tech. So also here we have an induction sensor that probes the bed, which this printer does have out of bed leveling with compensation. And yeah, everything looks really good. Even the blower here is nice and large with a dual cooling path. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back. Push it down to lock it in, and that's it. So on the back here, there's not too much going on, just some kind of venting looks like in the face. So yeah, on the front corners there, we can see the idler pulleys with brackets. So everything seems to be pretty heavy duty. It's all plastic, but heavy duty. Our light is literally under here. Kind of see it right under here. The panel you see back there is actually our LCD. The two motors there, wires, the bed wiring, everything looks nice and tidy here. Down there we have the Z-axis motor that runs a belt all the way through. So it's one motor that goes to both of the lead screws. So they're synced together. And I really love this design because it's obviously much more stable than just one in the back like they usually make them, or most printers are. Yeah, this gives this printer a huge advantage of being super stable. Dual Z's and quad rods overall for the whole bed. So yeah, great design. And speaking about the bed here, the frame is plastic. We do have a flexible magnetic sheet that pops off, and this looks like a PEI of sorts maybe, or PC style material with a textured finish. You see underneath the build plate we have the magnetic mat, and this is heated and you can print on both sides. And this is a 185 by 185 and 170 tall. We got a really nice door here up front that's magnetic. We got little magnets here. Magnetizes. Pretty cool logo here up front. The screen, nice and large. Good brightness. This pretty cool little design here that kind of gives the printer a unique look. It's kind of blacked out. We got windows through the sides. Very nice, so you can, look. It doesn't feel cramped because of this. And same on this side. Very nice. We are sitting on 4 rubber feet. Here on the right side, we do have a USB port that we can plug in our thumb drive that comes with the printer. And going here from the thumb drive to the back, you guys can see we already have a spool on here, on the spool holder. And yeah, the spool holder installs very easily. It just clicks on. We have a little direction here. And also, it looks like this end piece here, okay, it unclips. I'm not too sure exactly what that's for, but maybe for certain spools. But in any case, yeah, we have the filament detection back here with also our feed line that goes through and then to the hot end. Some QR codes there. Power rating, print size 180 by 180, 175. So yeah, kind of mixed on the sizes there. And here's our power input port. It is fused with the on and off switch. So yeah, pretty cool little printer here overall, and definitely looks quite unique here sitting on the table.